Okay, second grade, read the word problem, please.
Jane and her mom made 38 puppets for the craft fair. They sold 14 puppets. How many puppets do they still have?
Okay, so looking at the steps to do our problems, what are we trying to find? How many puppets they still have? Basically, that's the question, right? We want to know how many puppets they still have. So, right over this. All right, and then what information do we need to use? We know that they made how many puppets?
33.
Write that in. And they sold how many puppets? Isaac? 14. Okay, so let's show how to solve the problem. $33 is what again? Well, no, it's not the answer because the question is how many puppets do they still have? But it is what?
It's the biggest number.
It's the biggest number. It's the total, right? But it's what they had to start out with, but it's the total. So they had 33. You need to put that on the bottom line. Right there on the bar model. Okay? Now, they sold 14. So we're going to write 14 in this box. Okay? So 14 with another number will equal 33. Okay? We're going to figure out what number will go in this box. What we have to do is do 33 minus 14. Okay? All right, you guys help me out here. What do I got to do? Amanda?
We need to cross out both these and make the one on the 10 side 2 and make the one on the 1 side 2.
Okay. Now, what's 13 minus 4? Xander?
9.
You guys agree? Okay. What's 2 minus 1? Grayson?
1.
1. You guys agree? Okay, so what number did we get?
19.
What goes in this box then?
19.
And what goes right here?
19.
And what goes in this box?
19.
Alright. Let's try another problem. Okay, it says label the bar model and write the number sentence with a box for the missing number and then solve it. Okay, Carlette is the name. Okay, are you ready? Carlette
had a box of 46 craft sticks. She uses 28 craft sticks to make a sailboat. How many craft sticks were not used?
Okay, so what was the total amount? Lena,
46.
where do I put the 46 then?
Down below.
Boxes, right?
Yeah.
The bar model. Yes, we put it down below the bar model. The total always goes down below the bar model. Okay? The bigger number always goes to the bottom. Now, she used 28 craft sticks. Right? So we're going to make 28 be here. Now, we can count up to 46, or we could just subtract, and I would probably stack and subtract because this one wouldn't be as easy to count up. So let's write it. 46 minus 28. 6 minus 8 is what? Chase? Can't do, right? So we're going to have to regroup. So how do I do that, Chase?
Cross out the 6 and put 16.
What else? Okay. You always have to borrow first, so you really need to do the 10s first before the 1s, guys. Because you are taking 10 away from the 4 and giving the 10 to the 6. Okay? So you need to take this one away first and then do the second one. What's 16 minus 8, Isaac? 8. What's 3 minus 2? Ivan? 1. Okay, so our number can go right here, right? And I forgot to write the number. What's our problem? Our number sentence. Jason? 46. Minus 28 equals, we're supposed to say box first. I forgot to tell them. And then we can put an 18 in the box, and we can put an 18 on the line. Okay, let's do number 2. Read it out loud.
Rob's class made 31 clay bowls. Sarah's class made 15 clay bowls. How many more clay bowls did Rob's class make than Sarah's class?
Oh, they're trying to trick you on this one. Okay, how many more means what?
Subtract.
Yeah, it means subtract. So we're still subtracting, okay? So what is my problem that we're going to subtract? What numbers, what's my number sentence that I'm going to subtract? Somebody that hasn't answered yet. Finley?
31 minus 15 equals box.
Okay. 31 minus 15 equals box. Now look at our bar model. Does this look like our other bar models that we've had in the past?
No.
You know why? Because they're different details. You don't start off with a total of something and then subtract and take it away. This time, you are saying that one class has an amount and the other class has another amount. That's why there's 2 boxes. 31 is going to go right here. Okay? Because it's the bigger number. That's the greater amount, right? And then 18 will go where? Or 15, not 18. 15 will go where, Matthias?
In the small.
Yes, in the small box. Okay. So now we need to figure out how much is this space to get to 31. We can subtract, we can stack and subtract if that's our easiest way to do something. Okay, how do I do this? What's 1 minus 5? Isaac, what's 1 minus 5? Yeah, you can't do 1 minus 5, so you are borrowing 10 from the 10s and giving it to the 1s, which makes it 11. 11 minus 5 is what? Lena?
6.
2 minus 1 is what? Jason? 1. Yep. So what's our number?
16.
Okay, write 16 right here and 16 right here. Right here and in the box. So 3 places. Well, technically it's 4 if we're working out the problem, but all right. They gave you boxes, boys and girls, for your word problems to do with your partner, and then you have some to do on your own. You don't have to do the boxes on your own if you just want and show this stack and subtract. Okay? Sound good?
Yes.
All right.